Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a feedback form section to your website homepage on Wix. This is a fantastic way to collect valuable input from your visitors and improve your site based on real user experiences. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look at the left navigation menu where you'll find an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it, and a drop-down selection will appear. From here, click on Website to access your site settings. Now you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. This is an important moment to make sure that this is the actual website where you want to add the feedback form. It's always good to double-check before making any changes, especially if you manage multiple sites under your account. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed to the editing interface where you'll build out your feedback section. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is your main workspace for customizing your site. From here, locate the Add section menu and click on it. This menu is your gateway to adding new content blocks and organizing your homepage layout effectively. The Add Element menu will expand, and from here you'll see a list of all section templates you can use and add to your Wix website. Look at the top part of it and you'll see a plus blank section option. Click on it to add a blank section. This approach lets you add a clean and fully customizable type of feedback section to your website, giving you complete control over how it looks and functions. Once the blank section is added to your page, locate the Add Element button on the left navigation menu again and click on it. From the list of elements, look for Contact and Forms element and click on it. This category contains all the form-related tools you'll need for gathering feedback from your visitors. Under the Pre-made Forms section, look for the Feedback Form option. You'll see 4 templates you can use, each designed with different layouts and styles to match various website aesthetics. Simply click and drag the template you prefer onto your blank section to add it. The form will appear on your page, and all you have to do now is customize it by clicking on Edit Form. Here you can adjust the questions, change colors, modify fields, and tailor everything to match your brand and the specific feedback you want to collect. And that's it. You've successfully added a feedback form section to your website homepage on Wix, giving your visitors an easy way to share their thoughts with you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.